Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. If there is no Intel HD graphics control panel option where you right click on your desktop, usually the driver or the application is missing, disabled or replaced. So in order to fix that, you just need to try out these fixes and you should be able to do it. So let's just dive right into the video. So we can open it manually. We can press Windows key and just go over and type in Intel graphics command, something like that, and go ahead and open it up. If found, you can directly open it up and you can install the Intel graphics application. So newer systems use Intel graphics command center instead of the old control panels, so you can just go over and look out for this and make sure it's initialized or installed on your device. And once it is done, what we can do is we can just go over and find it up and install it. If it's not available yet, you can just go over to Microsoft Store and go ahead and search for Intel graphics app. You can directly find that application, search for Intel graphics and type in that and just go over and find that application and go ahead and install something like this. It is free, you can just go and get it. And you can check driver in device manager as well. So right click on start once again and you can type in device manager and open it up inside your control panel. After that, you can expand the display adapters. So go ahead and look out for display adapters and expand it, and you should be finding different graphics. So Intel HD card, Intel UHD graphics, and Intel Iris. So if something is missing, you can just go over and right click on it and select the option of update driver, and that should also do it. Apart from that, you can also reinstall the graphics drivers. So look out for display adapters once again, find your graphic drivers and right click on it and select the option of install device. Once it is done, you can just go and restart your PC and Windows will reinstall it automatically. And sometimes the registry or policy tweaks remove right-click entries, so reinstall the Intel graphics app, usually restore it. And these are probably the fixes you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.